Last year we dove one of the most incredible shipwrecks in the Florida Keys. We knew about this wreck for several years, but it was only until recently we brought our cameras down to capture the beauty of the Benwood Wreck. Located 7 miles off Key Largo, Florida, this wreck hosts thousands of divers from all over the world looking for that unforgettable Florida Keys diving experience. Now today, we're going to show you why the Benwood Wreck has to be one of the top dive spots in all of the Upper Keys. First, let me share why the Benwood Wreck continues to allure divers from all over. The wreck is home to an array of marine life from sharks, shrimp, and Goliath grouper. And its historical significance adds a layer of intrigue to the experience. Now, it's important to understand the regulations for diving at the Benwood Wreck. Just like many other dive sites in the Florida Keys, Benwood Wreck is protected as part of the Florida Keys National Marine Sanctuary. Unlike other sites in the sanctuary, fishing and lobstering are allowed at this wreck. Try to avoid anchoring and instead tie up to one of the mooring balls so that we can work together to preserve the fragile ecosystem. This will allow you to explore this underwater wonderland with minimal impact. Speaking of mooring balls, let's talk about the best ones to enhance your dive experience. The Benwood Wreck offers multiple mooring balls that provide convenient access to different parts of the wreck. Our favorite part of this wreck is always the bow, as it's part of the wreck that's best preserved. As we descend, you'll find that the Benwood Wreck accommodates divers of all skill levels. The wreck rests in water depths of up to 45 feet, making it accessible to both beginner divers and experienced underwater explorers. However, it's essential to navigate with caution, as some areas have jagged and rusted pieces of metal debris sticking out from the wreck. Now, let's discuss the vibrant marine life that inhabit the Benwood Wreck. Schools of fish such as grunts, snappers, and parrotfish create a lively atmosphere around the wreck. Keep an eye out for graceful nurse sharks gliding effortlessly through the water. And if you're lucky, you might spot a majestic Goliath grouper. The Benwood Wreck is also a haven for coral enthusiasts. While some reef-building corals have suffered, the wreck now serves as a refuge for soft corals, sea fans, and an abundance of marine growth. Staghorn and elkhorn corals have been reintroduced to the area through restoration efforts, a testament to the ongoing commitment to preserving and rejuvenating these magnificent ecosystems. We also rate many of the popular dive spots in and around South Florida. With its rich history, diverse marine life, and underwater wonders, I rate the Benwood Wreck a solid 9.1 out of 10. While the wreck showcases the effects of time, it remains a captivating dive site that will leave you with lasting memories. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.